Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a hashtag in Hootsuite. To add a hashtag to Hootsuite, we first have to compose a post to get started. Over here on the left of the home page, press the button Create. It will show you multiple suggestions. For now, choose Post. And now you're in your Composer page. In here is where you make your post. Now give your standard caption for your post. For example, I'm just going to write down, "Hello everyone, I'm new here." To add the hashtag, type in this symbol right here first, directly in your text where you want the hashtag to appear. And write down whatever you want. And if you need some help with generating hashtags, Hootsuite has a nifty tool here called AI Hashtag Suggestions. Depending on the context of what you wrote, the AI will generate anything that you might consider interesting. Just checkmark any of them and then press Add Hashtag, and it will automatically insert it to your post. And now you can schedule or post this immediately. The hashtag becomes part of your post content and will publish as normal to the social platform. And that's how to add hashtags to Hootsuite.